Welcome to ATech. Today we will discuss that how you can mute WhatsApp status. So first of all, open your WhatsApp, then move to status and updates option. So here select the status that you want to mute. So I will select Abu Bakr Nigeria. So on top right corner I will select three dots, and here you can see different options. So I want to mute it, so I will select first one. So here you can see the notification that mute Abu Bakr status update. So in this way you can mute anyone's status. So I will click on mute. Now I will go back. So you can see that status from Abu Bakr Nigeria is now hidden. You can't see it. It's muted now. So in this way you can mute anyone's status. So in the same way you can unmute it. So on top right corner I will select three dots. So now I will click mute updates. So you can see muted updates, that Abu Bakr Nigeria status is in muted updates. So I will click on three dots, and on top I will select unmute. So in this way you can unmute anyone's status that you already muted. So now I will show you that this status is appeared in recent viewed. So you can see on second Abu Bakr Nigeria status. So in this way you can mute anyone's status, and then after some time you can unmute. Please